Welcome to the 110th episode of Lalitha Sahasranam Stotra. 1,000 different ways of unification of faculties, intellect, discretion, personality, and mind, uniting with Panchabrahmas is the essence of 1,000 namas of Lalitha Sahasranaam, and thus promoting the harmony. So let us move on. Next nama is Unmesha nimishotpanna vipanna bhuvanavalih. The duration of time between opening and closing of eyelids. During this duration, the creation of life, the formation of the life within this time duration. So with this nama, beginning of 10 incarnations of super soul, onset of marine life on planet Earth, the beginning of dasa maha vidyas, with bhuvanavalih vidya initiated with this nama. After the earth was formed through the nama, Viswarupa, fish or waterborne species were formed. Now through Unmesha nimishotpanna vipanna bhuvanavalih, fish community is multiplying. Hence it may be possible that the departed souls that left the planet Earth through samharini may be that of the fish, or it may be possible fish soul energy would have triggered the revolution of sun. Hence through this nama, more souls were given opportunity to acquire bodies of fish. That is Unmesha nimishotpanna vipanna bhuvanavalih. Within a minute, species that multiply are also fish. Unmesha nimishotpanna, that is minute, means the energy form that can act swiftly within a minute can create and terminate. How swiftly? It's as fast as opening and closing of eyelids. Now fish are believed to keep their eyes always open. Hence closing of eyelid here refers to death of fish. Therefore, through this nama, several generations of fish community marched forward. The incarnation of the first of the 10 incarnations or dasa avatara of super soul happened with this nama. Similarly, origin of birds, especially cranes, seagulls, river gulls, etc., happened as part of the dasa maha vidya bhuvanavalih. Chakra was established already prior to this. Hence, if the community of fish grows beyond limit or threshold, then the wheel of dharma gets distorted. To control the population of the fish, birds are to be originated through this nama, and hence the creation of the crane. The crane is representation of the bhuvanavalih vidya, the first form of dasa maha vidya. So with this nama, matsya avatara and dasa maha vidya form, that is bhuvanavalih. Matsya avatara is linked to bhuvanavalih, have originated on planet Earth. With this nama, Unmesha nimishotpanna vipanna bhuvanavalih ratnakinkinikaramya rasanadama bhushita re-enters onto the planet Earth. So what does Unmesha nimishotpanna vipanna bhuvanavalih, what does it mean? Having an intellect of this form, the remaining faculties terminating into the intellect. Because fish is always in water, they are waterborne, so water is related to intellect. The next nama is Sahasra seersha vadana, a form that is equivalent to having innumerable faces or heads, the origin of amphibians, and the second incarnation of the super soul known as kurma avatara, of the turtle, the formal practicing of Shodasha vidya, the second form of dasa maha vidya. In this universe, there is no creature having innumerable heads. Innumerable heads means sense gratification and succumbing to the faculties. Turtle or tortoise is having these characteristics. Hence, amphibians are originated on planet Earth, and also the Shodasha vidya, practicing of Shodasha vidya has begun. Due to the revolution of the sun and moon, initially the water bodies, the gulls, cranes, etc. formed. Subsequently, amphibians originated. Amphibians meaning having only intellect and discretion. Intellect is mapped to water, discretion to the earth element. The personality or fire element in turtle is 0. Therefore, the oscillation of mind of a turtle is between water and earth medium only. Due to this reason, it is known as amphibian. Since personality is 0, for turtle to get saturated, it needs innumerable heads, or in other words, very many years. That's why turtle have a long life. The solution to saturate turtle is through Shodasha vidya. Using this technique of Shodasha vidya, turtle ignites fire in the ego and gets saturated, and soul leaves the body. So on planet Earth, water bodies like fish applied Baglamukhi technique, and amphibians are the first species to practice Shodasha vidya on planet Earth. Now there are some examples to this Nama Sahasra seersha vadana, the kurma avatara. Dasarada in Treta Yuga also belongs to this sect of amphibian. Dasarada, Radha means a body. Dasarada means having 10 equivalent to 10 bodies. So Dasarada was succumbed to the body illusion effects. Dasarada, like turtle, got caught up in the web of Ragadvesha and lived for 60,000 years without getting saturated. In the end, Dasarada practiced Ramanama using Shodasha vidya, and he practiced this for 6 days after the departure of Rama, Sita Rama and Lakshmana to forest. And on the 6th day he got saturated, and his soul left the body. So Ramanama is equivalent to Shodasha vidya. That's why Rama is known as Shodasha Kalasampanna. So therefore Dasarada belongs to Kurma avatara Amsa, or he's a turtle form. So remaining through this nama Sahasra seersha vadana, Kamesa Gnata Saubhagya Madhavor Dvayanvita re-enters onto the planet Earth. Remaining namas we will explore in the next episode. Thank you.